Hello guys, in this video we take a look on how you be able to install the Bandicam screen recorder on your laptop and PC. First we take a look on how you be able to download this, and next we take how to install that one setup, and after that we will see how to record a screen. Okay, first in order to download, just open your Chrome browser, and here in the search bar just type the Bandicam download. Okay, once you type that and press enter, the first website will appear, that one, the Bandicam screen recorder download. You have to just click on it. Once you click on it, after that, we right now we are downloading it for the Windows. So just click on this download Bandicam button. Okay, that one is the latest version. Okay, just click on this download Bandicam. Once you click on it, it will ask for the timer will start if not downloading directly. Okay, and here you have to it is asking us where you want to install. Just click on the save button. If your downloading will not start after 20 seconds, because it will depend on the internet connection, and here you see there's a 30 MB setup and it is almost done. Then you have to click here download setup. You have to download manually. Okay, if your downloading will not start automatically. In my case, my downloading will start automatically, and by clicking this folder icon, I will go to the directory where I download this. Okay, just click on this folder icon, and here you see our Bandicam is here. So now in order to install the Bandicam setup, uh, just double click on it, and after that you have to just click on OK and click on next, and I accept the agreement and license, I agree, and okay, program group, just click leave it as it, just click on next, and here it is asking where you want to install. By default C directory is selected, I leave it as it default, and if you want to change the installation path, just click on this browser and just go to your PC and change it. Okay, I leave it as it default, and then click on the install button. Okay, just click on install, and it will just take a few seconds, and our Bandicam will install complete. Okay, so just wait. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you think the video is helpful, then give us a thumbs up, and if you have any kind of query, leave a comment. So now our Bandicam is installed. Just click on the finish to open the Bandicam. Here you see our Bandicam is opening. Okay, and okay, just click on this yes one, and now our Bandicam is open. And in the here you select the mic option. Like if your external mic is uh, plugged in, if you also plugged in here, also show the external, but by default internal one. So just click on external. Here you see I'm speaking and it show me in the bar of volume mic. Okay, so now in order to install, just click on this record button, and recording is now okay. Here sorry, here we have to first select the region where the region we want to cover in the screen. Just click on it, and once you click on it, just press the l- left key of your mouse, and hold that key. Okay, and then drag the area you want to cover. Okay, like that. Okay, like that I want to cover that area, that one area. Just okay, here you see our the best thing, the pencil icon. You can draw things on the screen. It is a annotation tool in Bandicam. Okay, here you see if you want to draw the that one, you can also do that. And after that you have to just remove it and just click on this start button. Okay, recording start. Just once you click on it, here you see on the top our timer will start, and you can record the screen. So we right now we stop it, and our recording is done. Here you go and change the directory where you want to install, download, sorry, save the videos. Okay, recording videos. So hope so you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. So this is for that video. We'll meet in the next video. Stay tuned.